The humble spud, a nutritional powerhouse? Can a simple potato hold the key to better health? It seems improbable. After all, we often relegate this starchy tuber to a side dish, laden with butter and sour cream. However, the potato, in its purest form, boasts a surprising nutritional profile. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, this unassuming root vegetable has fueled civilizations for centuries. Intrigued by its potential, I embarked on a 5-day experiment, the potato diet. My potato packed embracing simplicity. My reasons for choosing the potato diet were twofold. It wasn't just a spur-of-the-moment decision. First, I sought a temporary reset from my often chaotic eating habits. My diet had become a whirlwind of unhealthy choices. The modern food landscape, awash in processed options and sugary temptations, had left me feeling sluggish and uninspired. I yearned for simplicity. I wanted to strip away the noise and focus on something basic. Second, I was curious about the purported benefits of a potato-based cleanse. I had read about its potential to rejuvenate and detoxify. Could this humble spud truly detoxify my system and boost my energy levels? The idea intrigued me. Armed with a 5-pound bag of potatoes, I committed to the challenge. It was time to see if simplicity could indeed lead to a more energized and balanced life. 5 days of Spuds, a sensory roller coaster. The first day was surprisingly easy. The simplicity of the meal was almost refreshing. Potatoes, boiled and seasoned with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, proved surprisingly satiating. Each bite was warm and comforting. However, as the days progressed, the monotony set in. The excitement of the first day faded. The texture, once comforting, became tiresome. The same soft, mushy consistency grew dull. The flavor, while initially satisfying, lost its appeal. The blandness became overwhelming. Food, I realized, was about more than sustenance. It was an experience. The joy of eating came from variety and excitement. My dreams were filled with vibrant colors and exotic flavors, a testament to my body's craving for variety. I longed for the thrill of new tastes and textures. Section 4. Beyond the plate, unexpected benefits and challenges. Despite the sensory deprivation, I noticed some positive changes. My energy levels remained consistent throughout the day, without the usual afternoon slump. My digestion felt smoother, and I experienced less bloating. However, the lack of variety took a toll on my mood. I felt increasingly irritable and withdrawn. Social gatherings, usually centered around food, became a source of anxiety. I missed the camaraderie of shared meals, the joy of exploring new flavors. Section 5. Re-entry and reflection. Lessons from the potato. Returning to my regular diet was a revelation. The experience of eating a variety of foods again was almost like rediscovering them for the first time. Each bite was infused with a newfound appreciation for flavor and texture. It was as if my taste buds had been reset, allowing me to savor every nuance. The potato diet, while not a sustainable long-term solution, had imparted valuable lessons. It taught me the significance of simplicity and the beauty of basic, wholesome ingredients. It underscored the importance of whole, unprocessed foods in my diet. I realized how much better I felt when I focused on natural, nutrient-rich foods. It highlighted the interconnectedness of food, mood, and energy levels. The right foods can elevate your mood and boost your energy, making a significant difference in daily life. While I won't be embracing an all-potato diet anytime soon, the experiment was eye-opening. I will carry with me a newfound respect for the humble spud and the power of mindful eating. This journey has deepened my understanding of how food choices impact overall well-being.